We're going to pick this video up with the alternator already removed from the car. If you need additional assistance with that task, please follow the link provided at the end of this video. After you've removed the alternator from its mounts, you will need to remove the 8mm nut, yellow arrow, and the 12mm nut, red arrow, and remove the cables from the alternator to take it to your workbench. If you don't follow the link, please make sure that you fully disconnected the battery before attempting this work. With the alternator on your bench, you will want to remove the two Phillips head screws holding the regulator in place and indicated by the red arrows. Be prepared to use an impact screwdriver here, as you do not want to strip out these screws. Also, they can get easily corroded in place. Pull the regulator, red arrow, out from the alternator. You can now see the two brushes that make contact with the poles on the alternator. These are held in place against the poles by springs that can wear out. The brushes can also wear out or become excessively corroded over time. The brushes on our regulator are completely shot, red arrow. They are unevenly worn and one of the springs is broken and forcing the brush in place rather than floating. While the regulator is out, make sure you check the condition of the poles on the alternator. They can be discolored but should not be excessively worn, corroded, and should not have grooves worn in them, or the replacement regulator will not make proper contact with the poles. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.